Yes, hello, good morning. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Alright? Heal all the cheekle them. You see it? And big up all the meekle them. You see it? Yeah, man. Rest in peace to my Bridget Maroon. You see it? Listen, Jamaica, we see a video circulate with Craft in the middle of Half a Cheese Square with the police them apprehend him and enjoy him way. I'm saying this to say that why Jamaica is the only place on earth where the celebrity them in the country is being targeted by the police and the Jamaican government. Why is that? Why is that? Jamaica is the only place on earth that these things is happening. So I'm saying this. I want to know what Craft do. Anybody know? Please comment, like and share for me, please. Because